Welcome back to Kaleem Motors, where we bring you the most exciting new cars before they hit the streets. Today we're diving into something truly special. The all-new Toyota LC-400 Baby Cruiser for 2026-27. A vehicle that blends legendary off-road DNA with modern luxury and family-friendly comfort. This isn't just a smaller Land Cruiser. It's a smart, stylish VIP SUV designed for today's lifestyle. The LC-400 Baby Cruiser takes inspiration from Toyota's iconic Land Cruiser heritage but packages it in a more compact, urban-friendly form. From the first glance, it feels bold and premium. The upright stance, muscular wheel arches, squared-off proportions, and modern LED lighting give it that unmistakable Land Cruiser presence, while the refined detailing adds a luxury edge perfect for city cruising or family road trips. Step inside, and the LC-400 immediately feels like a VIP lounge on wheels. The cabin is designed with families in mind, offering generous space, premium materials, and a calm, upscale atmosphere. Soft touch surfaces, leather-trimmed seats, ambient lighting, and brushed metallic accents create a luxury feel that punches well above its class. Toyota clearly focused on comfort, practicality, and elegance all at once. Technology plays a big role here. The LC-400 is expected to feature a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a fully digital instrument cluster, voice control, and connected car features. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and rear seat entertainment options make it perfect for long family journeys. This is a vehicle that keeps everyone entertained, connected, and relaxed. When it comes to seating, the LC-400 Baby Cruiser truly shines. The seats are wide, supportive, and designed for long hours on the road. Rear passengers get excellent legroom and headroom, making it ideal for growing families. The boot space is generous, easily handling luggage, groceries, or weekend adventure gear, while foldable rear seats add even more flexibility. Under the hood, Toyota is expected to offer efficient yet powerful engine options, possibly including a turbocharged petrol, hybrid, or even mild hybrid setup. These engines are designed to balance smooth performance with excellent fuel efficiency, making the LC-400 a smart choice for both daily commuting and long-distance travel. Toyota's legendary reliability is a major plus here, ensuring peace of mind for years to come. Despite its baby status, this cruiser doesn't forget its roots. With available all-wheel drive, multiple drive modes, high ground clearance, and advanced traction systems, the LC-400 is more than capable of handling rough roads, sand, rain, and light off-road adventures. It's perfect for families who want confidence and control without driving a massive SUV. Safety is another standout feature. The LC-400 is expected to come loaded with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree camera support. These features make every drive safer and more relaxing, especially for family use. In the end, the 2026-27 Toyota LC-400 Baby Cruiser feels like the perfect balance of luxury, capability, and practicality. It offers the prestige of a Land Cruiser, the comfort of a premium SUV, and the usability modern families demand. For those who want a family-friendly luxury VIP vehicle without going oversized, this could be one of Toyota's smartest moves yet from Toyota Motor Corporation.